Welcome back to Unboxing, where I make old family recipes. Today we're making an ice cream cake. It has Oreos, peanut M&Ms, peanuts, and vanilla ice cream. My mom would make this for us kids if we wanted ice cream cake for our birthdays. It's always been a favorite of mine, and I wanted to make it for my 25th birthday. I'm not sure why the ice cream I bought never fully froze. It was always kind of, softer than most store-bought ice cream. It's probably because it's light ice cream, but I didn't notice that until literally like weeks after I bought it. I feel like every time I make a video now, I have to explain why I haven't been uploading. It's the same reasons as always. Life is rough right now, and I don't always have the energy or the money to make stuff. As you can probably tell, I'm recovering from a mild cold. As always, I adore this channel, and I want to keep at it, but sometimes life gets in the way. Don't worry, we're not going anywhere. Unboxing is now 4 years old, if you can believe it. I started this way back in college as a way to practice making videos and editing since I had extra time. I love using this channel as a way to keep up with skills I don't use every day, and it's satisfying to finish a project. Someday, uploads will be regular again, but until then, feel free to not interact with the video, and I'll see you in the next one.